See children, just 2. I'm writing 2 power n. Don't shout together. Just for whom I'm asking, they should open their mouth and they have to answer. Sai Kartikeya. Yes, Kartikeya. Are you able to speak with me? Yeah. What is base and what is power? Mahira, base is how much? Power is what? Just a minute. You can chart also, children. Or power or exponent. Exponent. You can chart also so that I can see here. Yes. Srusti. It's 2 power n. Yes, Ahana, you are saying 2n is power, 2 is exponent. No, both are same. Power and exponent both are same, my dear. Then base is 2. Yes, Aditi, n is power. Power is n. Pranav, correct. Raghav, base is 2. Satvika, base is 2. Very good. I can see the chart. Srishti, base is 2. Yes. Power is n. Good. Yes, ma'am, can I say? Kunal, you can chart so that I can see everyone. Kunal, you can chart so that see Cyrus, base is very good.
Okay, ma'am. From today,
N power
now
is
I'll tell you, ma'am, what is exponent
yes,
and by chart.
it's 1. Shiva Pranav, ma'am, 2 is base, power is n. Very good. Very good. Yes, that's all. Very good, children. See, children, whatever base means basement. Basement means you know what is basement, children. Base means always down part. So 2 is base, 2 is base, and n is exponent, and n
Yes, ma'am.
exponent. Or we can call it as power also. We can call it as power. So that this is the first one. So 2 power n is nothing but 2 base is repeated. 2 base is repeated how many times? Exponential for how many times? N,
Ma'am, n times.
n times. Suppose if I want 5 to the power 4, 5 should be repeated how many times? 5 should be repeated
4 times.
exponent of 4 times. Very good. So you can evaluate this and you can write the answer also. Suppose 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means 2 can be multiplied. 2 can be multiplied how many times? 6 times. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 32, 32 64. 2 power 6 is 64. Like that you can write your number in exponential form. You can write your number in exponential form. Suppose the question. Just a minute, children. If
Ma'am, day before yesterday you gave this as only no, this as homework, no, ma'am.
yes, I think.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, just we are recalling the points and we are going to the next concept.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See, children, suppose the number minus 2 base is negative number. Minus 2 whole to the power 4 means minus 2 base is repeated 4 times. Base is here negative, so it should be repeated. So it is even or odd. It's even. So answer is in result is in positive. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So positive 16 is the answer. Suppose minus 2 whole to the power 5. So in this case, 2 minus 2 is
Ma'am, so it will be minus 20 is the answer.
minus
Yes.
minus
20. Minus 20.
కాదు నాన్న minus 32 కదా 16 into 2 2 2 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 16 twos are 32.
Okay, ma'am.
But here the power is odd. So the result you are getting is negative. That is most important point you have to keep in your mind, children. If exponent is odd, if any base is negative, exponent is odd, the result you are getting is negative. If exponent is even, If exponent is even,
It will be positive.
yes, very good. This is the first thing you're supposed to learn. Then, second thing, can you please find the value? Can you please find, write the number in exponential form? I will give now a few numbers for you. You're supposed to mention those numbers in exponential form. How you supposed to write the given number in exponential form? We will see that. And before going to that, we can go with a few more examples. Minus 3 whole to the power 4. So by seeing it, since base is negative number, even the base is negative number, the power is even. Power is even. The result is positive. So minus 3 multiplied with minus 3 multiplied, so 4 times. So it's nothing but 9 nines are 81. Result is
Plus.
positive. Yes. Next to the same way, a minus 5 whole to the power 5. Mahira, please respond. Yes. What is the base and what is the power here? What is the base and what is the exponent here? Yes. Mahira, I can hear you. Come on. Yes, base is minus 5. If you are unable to talk with me, you can chat also, children. That means minus 5, base is repeated 5 times. Exponent is 5, so that it is repeated. Repeated how many times? Repeated how many times?
Ma'am,
5
5
times.
times.
So
5
5
times.
fives are 25. This is 5 fives are 25. 25, 25 are 625. 625 multiplied with 5. What is the value of 5 fives are 25? 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 2, 12. 5 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. 3, 1, 2, 5. So see,
Ma'am,
1,
it's
2, 5.
minus.
yeah, since it is exponent is odd, since exponent is odd, the result is negative. That is most important point you have to remember.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, if the exponent is odd, what do we have to do? I mean, if the exponent is negative.
That will also, I will, the negative exponents I will go. Definitely, Raghav, I'll help that.
Suppose if we have like a positive 5 and 5, or we get as minus 3125, or we'll get positive only.
Yeah,
After that,
suppose,
25
yes,
times, no, ma'am.
very good question. It's a positive whole to the power 5. You are asking means it's a positive 3125. Why? Because there is no base is not having any sign here, positive sign, right? Shiva Pranav, please.
Ma'am, can I?
Shiva Pranav. Shiva Pranav.
Ma'am, example, ma'am, power will be 200 means what we should do, ma'am? Power will be 200 means what we should do?
200 is even or not? You have to check. 200 is even or odd?
Ma'am, even.
Easy, ma'am. 2 is even, so we'll get as even.
200 means it's a positive result you will get. A positive, very good question. Yeah, you see in the third case, I'm taking a big power here like a 29. Since 29 is odd,
Ma'am, it's an odd number, so we'll get as the answer as minus negative.
Minus 1. Minus.
one.
Ma'am,
Very
can I
good.
say the answer?
Very good. Minus 1.
Ma'am, answer is minus 1, ma'am.
One, how many times you multiplied? Not only 29 times, you multiplied 100 times also, you will get only, you will get
1
only.
only, ma'am.
Yes, 1 only. 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1.
Why, ma'am?
You multiply and try it, 1 ones are how much?
Oh, 1.
1. Again, if you multiply number of times also, you're getting only 1. But here
Yes,
exponent is power is positive. Power is odd now. Power is
Yes,
odd.
ma'am. When we multiply 29 times also, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, it will expand the form.
Now minus 1 whole to the power 200. What is the value?
Ma'am,
Minus
Minus 1 or plus 1, ma'am. Positive 1.
Positive
1,
one.
ma'am.
plus 1. Ma'am, plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yes.
Positive.
That's all, children. That's all. This is the base points.
Ma'am, once you can show that, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'll copy it on this one, ma'am, please.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can
Take your
bring
own
it.
examples and try it, children. Don't copy from the board. Take your own numbers. Minus 1 whole to the power 126.
Ma'am, over you can take out.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, -1 is answer no, ma'am. Downward, fourth one. No, how you have 200 as even, no? And already
200 is
That's
the
why
even,
plus
so
one
the
will come.
answer
When we
should be
have
in the
even means
positive
plus
ones.
one.
yes.
Positive.
Exponent is 200. It is even number.
Ma'am, okay, you change it, ma'am. I copied on it.
And when the power will be even and the base will be in the negative form, we have to write it as a positive.
Now, next concept, children. Express as a product of powers of their prime factors. Very, very important question. Express,
And you're writing.
express, yes, express,
Ma'am, it will be odd means it's -1. It will be even is 1, no, ma'am?
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Express each as a product of each as a product of power or exponent. Each is a product of powers of their of their of their prime factors. Very, very important, children. Prime factor. You heard this word prime factor anywhere in previous classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
my number is 392. How I supposed to do as a prime, which is the least prime number we can go with, so that two ones are two, two nines are 18, two six are 12. Again, I'm going with the two table. Two nines are 18, two eights are 16. Again, I'm going with the two table. Yes, two fours are 8, two nines are 18. Please mute your mic, children.
We
This
can take 7, ma'am.
Yes, 7. So last is a prime number, so I can stop till here. Now you can express these numbers in the product of prime numbers means 2 how many times repeated? 3 times.
3 times, ma'am.
And
So
so,
it is 2 to the power of 3
so
into 7 to the power of 2, ma'am.
7 is repeated how many times? 2 times.
2
So,
times.
so that we can write in
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
2 to the power of 3 into 7 to the power of 2, ma'am.
yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
Pranav's voice is echoing.
Yes, please mute your children. Always try to mute, and if you want to give any answer, you can give in the chat box so that I can help you. Please, once
Ma'am, which
you
is equals to 56.
And last one is 1, no, ma'am? 72 is 48.
what is equal to 56, my dear?
Ma'am, the LCM, ma'am, means 2 into 2 is 4, so 4
When
into
we
2 is 8
multiply,
and 8.
When you multiply, you will get the same number 392. Come on, multiply and check also.
Ma'am, when we'll multiply, we'll get 56, no, ma'am, this LCM.
Hey, just you multiply 2 cube means how much, Ra? 2 cube means 8.
Oh,
2 cube
yeah,
means 8,
ma'am.
ma'am.
7 square means 49. 49
49.
multiplied with 49 multiplied with 8 means
399, ma'am. 399. 399, I
yes,
think.
very good, Ishan. Very good. Ma'am, please try to
Ma'am,
understand.
7
Don't. Yes, please mute yourself first of all. All of you mute yourself. Come on, I'm giving numbers. Please try to understand the next one. I'm giving as 243. B bit 243. Listen carefully. If you are not getting also, you can listen the second bit. And I'm writing on the screen the rest of the students who are understanding so that you can do the sums.
Ma'am, C1 is 648.
Which one more? C1
C1.
648. Yes, 648. D bit is 392. Already we wrote. It's 3350. 3350. And the E bit is 250. Come on, please start working on the sums. Who are not getting, please let me know so that for them I am helping. 2800.
I have one small doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am, you took 2 as cube and 7 as 2. So 2 into 3 is, sorry, 2 into 2 and into 2 is 77. Okay. So 49. Hello, ma'am.
I'm hearing. Please, what's your issue? Please let me know so that I can help you.
Yes, ma'am, I understood now. You kept a 7 as a because it is a prime factor, no? Okay. Yes, yes, ma'am. I have understood, and I will do the sums.
Come on. 243, you take a prime number. Which prime number you have to see? You have to take your divisibility rules. Harini, attention of Harini?
Yes, ma'am.
Harini, 243, which divisibility rule we can apply here?
4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9.
Can we go with the 3 divisibility rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9.
Right. We will go with the 3 divisibility rule. Right. Good. Yes, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are. So that again we
Ma'am,
can.
answer is 24.
Yes, 3 2s are 6.
Ma'am, I got 24.
Yes, again 3 how many times? Again 3 3s are. So 3 how many times we can repeat here? 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with. This also you have to include children. This is prime number, you should include that. 3 1.
I mean, if we take a table, it will continue going on till
Yeah.
last.
No, you have to stop here only. Till prime factorization means the prime number you are getting. You
Okay,
can.
ma'am, means when we get to the least.
Yes. So how many times 3 is repeated? Please check now. 1,
I'm fine.
2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we can write it as 3,
3, 5.
3 to the power 5.
Again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, what I said, ma'am, 3 to the power 5.
Yes, we can call it as 3 to the power 5.
Ma'am, because 3 is multiplied 5 times.
Exactly, Karthikeya. Come on, go for the other bits and give in chat box. Don't talk, children. Recording happening, please. You can take F and G last bit. It's a 540, children. Or else you can write, do this as a homework also. Once you understand means, anyone have doubt? Vallabha, are you there, Vallabha? Sai Vallabha. Sri Vallabha. Vallabha. Vallabha, are you there?
Yes.
Any doubt, Vallabha?
Yes.
Vallabha, please let me know so that I can help you. Or else put a chat box so that so that I can give. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Ma'am, we should write this multiply, and also we should write, ma'am.
No need, no
Means
need. Once you
no,
can
no.
verification is happens means you, if you have any doubt whether you are doing correct or not, you can verify. But in this
I
case,
have got it.
I'm asking you
240
to
kg I have got.
express each as a product of a powers in their prime factors. I'm seeing your answers, children. I'm checking continuously. The students are giving. Ahna, I think 2 raised by the power 3 and 3 raised by the power 4. Yeah, I think C bit. Very good. C1, 2 raised to the power 3 and 9 multiplied to Pranav
Excuse
Raghavendra. Yeah, Pranav. I call your attention, Pranav. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you see the 6th bit. Children, just a minute, children, so that I will zoom out.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
Ma'am, can you explain the
C1,
fourth bit
C1,
3350?
C1, please, C1.
Not the C1, ma'am, the D1.
Okay, right. C bit, can you please,
Ma'am, Saikar ka answer can you see in chat?
just a minute, Nana. C bit, you gave Kartikeya. Kartikeya, Kartikeya, 3 multiplied.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am. You don't do it.
Okay. Kartikeya, more some part you supposed to do there. 3 multiplied with 4 times. So 3 multiplied with 4 times, what you will get? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 23, 81 only. But our number is 648. So what you are doing is wrong. Please check once again where you are doing.
Okay, ma'am, I'll check and again send the
Okay,
correct.
please check and update once again. Aditi?
Ma'am, can I please say the answer for C1?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, C1 I got the answer as 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 4.
Yes, I think it is correct.
And the answer
Ma'am, is it correct?
One is this.
Yes, I'm doing on the screen. Just a minute, Jay.
And we can also do with 3, but again we will get 2, so we can do with 2 only.
ma'am, my answer is correct. Take with 54 also. Ma'am, next one answer.
Children, don't shout, children. Please try to understand.
Ma'am, I took 24, not 2. Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Just a minute, Nana. I'm checking. So here,
Yeah, ma'am, I did with 3 and I got 3 like this only, ma'am. Same what you did.
if you do any way, you will get the same answer, children. Don't worry. 2, 3
But
times.
I got reverse of you.
In multiplication, if you do any order, the result remains the same, Ritvik. Don't worry. Please, if you are getting 2 power 3 and 3 power 4, the answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am, like that only I got.
Okay, go for next bit. Don't waste your time. Come on, Raghav.
No, ma'am, I got 2 power 2 and 3 4.
Who is this?
No, ma'am. Yes.
Raghav, please come to the D bit.
Yes, ma'am. I got the prime number as 67 actually. So can you please explain?
3350. Come on, Raghav. Which one we supposed to take here?
Ma'am, we can take 5 table.
Very good, very good. We can take 5 divisibility rule, so that end digit is 0. We can take. So 5 6 are 30. Again 5 7s are 35. That is 0. I'm taking as it is down. So any other number I can take as a 5 once again. Yes or no, Raghav?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes. So now how many times, Raghav? 670.
Ma'am, Manza.
One sir. There is
Manza.
yeah.
Ma'am, you can take as 34. Yes.
And which one we can take here? 2. Can we go with 2?
Yes, ma'am, we can take 2.
Yeah. E67 is prime number, children.
Yes, ma'am. So do we have to stop over here?
Yes, you can stop there. Very good. Very good. You can stop.
Okay, yes,
Now
ma'am.
the answer is 5 power 2 into 2 power 1.
5 power 2
And
Yes.
2 power
We have to multiply with 67 again.
yes. You can generally take as a order 2 5 square 67.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Next one, Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
250.
Ma'am, it is 250, right?
Ma'am, I'm done with all of them.
Yes, Ishan. What is the factors, prime factors for?
For which one, ma'am? 250, right?
Right.
First you have to divide by 2, ma'am.
Yes. So it's nothing but
Answer will be 125.
120. Very good.
Then by 5,
Very good.
25.
Yes.
And then again 5, and then the answer will last be 5.
5. So
So then the answer is 2 times 5 to 5 squared.
yes. So 2
Ma'am,
times.
I think in 3 power, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it is 5 cube. Ma'am, it is 5
3 power.
Cube, sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Accidentally
2
said squared.
multiplied by 5 cube.
Ishan told 2.
I meant cube.
Yeah, but he said the questions are correct now.
I accidentally said squared. I meant to say
Yeah.
cube.
By mistake he is giving, but very good. You are taking with the least prime number. You are going step by step. Good.
Ma'am, I'm done with all of them.
Good. Can you give the answers for F and Z also?
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can please tell the question of F.
F is 2800, Nana. 2,800.
2,800. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So,
G is 540.
should I do the answer right now, ma'am?
No, you just maybe do the chart so that I can see
Okay.
here. And I am
Okay.
going with other children. Yeah, Mahira, maybe Mahira, please respond, Nana. Yeah, Kartikeya.
Ma'am, you can say the F question, ma'am. I can't see.
2,800, Nana. 2,800. And last one, 540. Come on.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Raghav.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. The 2,800 is 2 square into 3 cube into 5.
2 square into 3 cube.
No, ma'am. Sorry. Not that one. 2 power 4 into 5 square into 7. 2 power 4 into 5 square into 7.
Just a minute, Mama. Just a minute.
Yes,
Raghav,
ma'am. It is 2 power 4
yes, 2 power 4 multiplied with.
into 5 square into 7.
Very good. Let me check, children, whether you are getting the same means. You check, children, once, please. 2 table.
Ma'am, I'm doing with 5, ma'am.
Yes, but you can always take the least prime number to greatest. You can go, children, so that you will get an order directly. So it's nothing but 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 fives are 950. You will get here. Then again 2 table. Half of 900 means 425. Yes, so that I can take.
Ma'am, actually for E1, I got the answer as 5 multiplied by 2 power 10.
Yes, sorry.
Sorry, 3.
Just yeah, this is 2 power 3. I think Raghav gave. Raghav, please check your answer. It's 2 power 3. I think so.
2 power 3.
Yeah, it's 2 power.
Ma'am, which question mark? I'm saying E answer. E.
Is the 2 multiplied with 5 cube, Nana. 250.
No, ma'am. Just let me check again. It's 2 power 4.
Ma'am, I actually got the answer as 5 multiplied by and the power 3.
Ma'am, it took 25, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, of F1.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait,
2
wait,
power 4 only.
wait,
Ma'am, 5 power,
children,
ma'am, 5 power 2 into 2 power 4, ma'am, and into 7.
just a minute. I'm doing on the screen so that you can.
Ma'am, I got 25 into 5 into 2.
25. You supposed.
You can do
Yes, ma'am, I
any.
took
See,
25.
listen, children. 25. You supposed to not. Is it 25 is a prime number?
No, ma'am.
So you supposed to not, my dear. You should not write 25. Well,
Ma'am, I got the answer as 5 multiplied by 2 in the power 3.
Ma'am, I took 5, ma'am. I got the answer
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
ma'am, I got the answer as 5 power 2 into 2 power 4 into 7.
Yes, that only you are doing here. Same correct. Whatever Raghav gave is correct. I think
Wait, just 1 minute. Ma'am, it's 2,400. You took 2,900.
Okay.
It's 14. 214.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I
You
didn't.
have
Ma'am, can I do the line? Can I do the G?
Yes, always you supposed to give in the chat box. Children, please, FB, please check it once again. It's
ma'am,
not.
F bit I have it clearly and I got 5 power 2 into 2 power 4 into
Already
7.
said now how many times you will say Ritvik? I said correct also many times. No, don't go for many times.
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am, it's chat box we should message or we should say.
Ma'am, but for the E answer, for the. Ma'am, actually, I took the first for 250 for I took as 5, so.
Christy, please check. Please.
Ma'am, your even answer is correct.
Listen.
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you. Everybody has dropped.
Listen first. Mute yourself quickly. Srishti, your bits are wrong. Srishti, you're supposed to listen and do the properly. We are giving as 28 power 1. 28 is not a prime number and 54 is also not a prime number. So you are absolutely wrong. You go with the once again. And I can see the same way the Srishti is only giving 25, but rest of the children are giving continuously correct. Yes, I can see here. Shiva Pranav, you are giving three earlier bit. Okay. Yeah, Srishti 54. We can't. It's not a prime number.
Ma'am, I gave old one.
Don't talk in the classroom, children, please. You're supposed to put in the chat box so that I can see. Come on, shall we move with another questions? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children. We will go with a rational number. Just before we are taking only normal whole numbers and integers we are taking, and we are moving ahead. Just a minute. Go with rational numbers. How rational numbers be expanded? How rational numbers be expanded? So find the value of yes. So find the value of. Listen carefully. If you have any doubts, you can put in the chat box IDK so that I can help you. Don't make lot of noise in the classroom, children. Yes. Find the value of 4 upon 5 to the power 4. See, children, it's what's the meaning of this? Base is nothing but here 4 by 5. What is base here? Base is base is 4 by 5. Exponent is our power is 4. Power is 4. That means you are writing base as 4 times multiplied. 4 by 5 multiplied with 4 by 5 multiplied with 4 by 5. So that means you can write it 4 multiplied numerator part. You are getting 4 repeated 4 times and 5 repeated 4 times. So what is the value of 4 4s are 16. 16 16s are. Yes, 16 16s are 256.
56.
Yes, 256. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 25 25 625. You can multiply, or else if you are not getting, you can multiply like that, children. 4 4s are 16. So that again you should multiply.
These are rational numbers, right?
No, it's a exponential form only for rational numbers we are doing. Just before we are doing for normal numbers, now we are taking for rational numbers.
I sent out the G question answer.
Yeah, 64 multiplied with 4. Again, if you multiply, you will get as 256. Like that also you can do. If you are unable to do direct multiplication, you can in rough column towards your right side of the book, you can do the multiplication. Same way,
Ma'am,
if
4 by 5 is base.
25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. You can do like that your rough column. Then you can expand the value. You can find the value of 4 by 5 to the power 4. It's nothing but 256 by 625. The same way, you can take another rational number, negative rational number I'm taking here. In first case, I'm taking positive rational number.
Ma'am, in third one, 4 by 5 is base.
Yes, 4 by 5 is base, Nana. Yes, 4 by 5 is base. I wrote on the screen, you just please look at the screen. So in the second, the fourth bit, minus 3 by 5 is a base. Sorry, minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 is the base and exponent is 3. And exponent is 3. That means you have to minus 3 by 4. You should multiply how many times? 3 times. Obviously, if
Ma'am, 3 times
yes,
because power is
obviously
3.
the result you are getting as negative result. Why? Because if you see the power, it is odd number. It's odd number. So that you are getting the result is negative. So
Negative.
yes, 3 multiplied with 3, how many times? 3 times. 4 multiplied with 4. So that you can write it as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. It's minus 27 by 16.
1 by 4 4 is 16, 16.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right, right, children. Like that, you have to do carefully when you are giving the negative rational numbers in exponential form. If base are negative rational number, you see the exponent. You see the exponent. If exponent is odd, the result is negative. If exponent is
Ma'am,
even, the result is positive. Any doubt in
ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
where with me?
Ma'am, in before problem that Susti told that she have multiplied with 25, right? We should
Yeah,
not take the.
but
We
25
should not.
something.
We should not take the. We should not take. We should take only the prime number.
Where? Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's why I gave for her.
Yes, we should not multiply them.
I was wrong and I did correct.
Yes, right, no, no, right. That's why listening is very important. When teacher teaches anything, you're supposed to listen carefully. When you listen the concept, you can do your own. No need of depending on me also. Suppose my question, other question I'm giving for you, your practice. Yes, come on children, please. Fifth bit. It's minus
Ma'am,
minus 7 by 10. My rational number is minus 7 by 10. So raise it to the power 3. And now my answer,
Then
please just a
3 is
minute.
odd. The
Just,
answer will come in negative.
yeah, yeah, very good. The answer is in negative. Why? Because exponent is odd, so that the result is negative. So you can directly multiply 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. Since why? Because exponent is odd number, it's a negative rational number, so your result always you're getting negative number. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are. You can seeing only you can answer 49 sevens are 343. 49 sevens are 243 or 343 children?
Ma'am,
ma'am,
343.
343.
343.
Yes,
343.
343 divided by,
Ma'am, 343, ma'am.
yes, denominator, how many zeros are there? Just
30.
you have to add to that.
1 by 1000.
Yes,
1000.
1000.
right, ma'am. Like that you,
343 by 1000
shall I give sums for you
minus
now to
3.
have practice?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And for homework,
Yeah, homework little later I'll give. Just one more question, children. Express in exponential form. They gave enlarged form. You have to express those numbers in exponential form. Because whatever answer we are getting, that answer they are giving, they are asking to our question. You have to convert like our question. That is exponential form. The question is, other question is sixth one. Express the following in exponential form. Express the following
Ma'am, this
in
is the C1
exponential
only, right?
in, yes.
Yes.
Mute yourself, Nana. Mute yourself always. Exponential form.
means what question do I didn't
No, no. Here the question is 343 divided by 343 divided by 3375. You have to do numerator separately, denominator separately, Nana. Quickly, come on, do the numerator. Numerator 343, we know that 343 means 7 multiplied with 3 times. If you don't know also, you can do like a time factorization. Please mute yourself. Someone is unmuting and making a noise in the classroom. Yeah, so that 7, how many times? 7 sevens are. So that we can write it as 7 multiplied with 7
7.
multiplied with 7. The same
7
way, the
power.
same way denominator.
means we should do reverse.
Yeah, the same way denominator also you can do the same way. You can separately do that, so that it becomes how much, children? I'm going with 5 table here first.
Ma'am,
5.
we can take 3 table, ma'am.
Okay, we can take, but 5 table, yes, we can take 3 table. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 fives are 15. Again I am taking with the 5 table only, because sum should be equal to 9, so that it will go. 3 threes are 9, 2 22, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. So I will go now. I'll go now. Again 3 table I should go. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are. So this is
Ma'am, we can
obviously,
take.
yeah, this we know that directly 525, 125,
Ma'am, we can take 5
I
tables.
know. We
5
need to
cube,
take.
yes, 5 cube, no, no, 5, 25 times. Again, if you move that 5 fives are, last one is 5 you will get. So this can be written as 3 how many times you have to check? 1, 2, 3. So 3 to the power 3. Multiply 5 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 5 to the power 3. So that we can write it as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 and 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. Come on, write in exponential form. So this becomes 7 cube, this becomes 3 cube, this becomes 5 cube.
Mama, I understood.
Yes, very good, Mona. Now this become 5 cubes. So that is any other way is there to simplify this? You can check. Is any other way is there to simplify? You can check. Yeah, is any other way is there to simplify here? You can check, children.
Yes, ma'am. Even I understood.
What more?
Ma'am, I understood it, ma'am.
Very good. See, children, but it is not the simplest one. We can write this. We can write this 7 by 15. Okay, or else you can leave like that. When you are going ahead, I will teach that parts because I didn't give loss of exponents still. If once loss of exponents, I will teach more simplification. We can do this. Now you can leave like that also. Shall we go? Shall I give one more bit like that? So that we
Yes, ma'am.
yes, the number is come on minus 125. Very very interesting question. I'm giving here negative sign. See carefully, children. Seventh one minus 125 divided by 512. Negative, when negative will come, children? When negative will come, the result, if any number base part is negative, so that negative number we can write it as
Ma'am, when any power will be in order, it will come in negative. Ma'am, when a power will be in a negative form, we should write it in the pi form, in the division.
exactly. I will teach, definitely I will teach Nana. If once I will give all together, they may confuse. So first you can take this. So we know that minus 125 can be written as, since it is negative, it is negative, I'm
Ma'am, we
taking
can do minus 25 into 5.
minus 5 into minus 5 into 512 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 20, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64
Ma'am,
2s are like that. How many times 64 2s are? 64 2s are 128, 128 2 times, 128 2 times, 128 2 times how much, children? 200 and 256, 250
56.
multiplied with 2 means it's 512 you are getting. That means
5.
almost minus 5.
ma'am,
Yes, any doubt ma here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, clear.
Ma'am, I think we can also do with 4.
How many times 2 repeated? You can, if you have any doubt, you can take your number 512 and do 5 prime factorization. How many times 2 you will get? You can identify from here. If you have any doubt, you can do the procedure, normal procedure. You have prime factorization, you have to do for 512. So that what is the 2, how many times 512, Raghav? Raghav.
ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
How many times 2, how many times to the
Yes, ma'am. Can you
512?
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. It's 2 power
Ma'am, 2 power 8. 8, ma'am.
8 or 9.
Ma'am,
It's
it's
8.
9. Ma'am, it's
Oh, yes,
9.
ma'am, it's 9. Yeah, I forgot to
Yes,
put the
2 power 9. Yes, write down, Nana. It's 2 power 9. Now the last one for your today's class, for the last question.
Ma'am, can you give one some feel only will do,
Yeah,
ma'am.
for your practice I will give, but now this is the last question for today's class. Write
Your
one.
voice is breaking.
Yes, write 121 divided by 4096. 4096. We know that 121 can be written as 11. 11s are 121. So the numerator part can be written as 11 square. So coming to denominator 4096, you can go with normal prime factorization. What are the factors? Please let me know, children. Quickly you can do. Come on, come on. Are you doing, children? Children, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, come on.
Yes, ma'am, you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's 2 power 13. 2 power
Yes, ma'am,
13.
2 power 13.
2 power?
13. 13.
And 13. 2
Yes,
power 13.
yes, I can. Is it 2 power 13, children? Please let me know all are. Is it 2 power 13? So that what we supposed to write now?
I'm still doing.
11 square by 2 power 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's correct.
is my answer correct?
Yes, I think. Yes, please check, children. I'm not checking. I just write what you said. So 2 power 5 is 32. 32, 32. How many times 32? 32, sir? 32 multiplied with 32. We know that factors how to find 32 easily, squares of that number. That means 10 times 32 means 32. 3 2. 3 into 2 into 2. So it's 3 square means 9. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It's 4. It's 4. Now you can take it's 4. It's 2. 9 plus 1. 1024. So again 1024, but here what we have, I think 1024 multiplied with 4 only, you will get 4000. That means 4 means 2 into 2. Yeah, I think 10 power 13 or 12, Nana?
Ma'am, it's 10 power 13.
Yes, 2 power 12, Nana. 2 power 13 kaadu. Just a minute, I just checked. 32 means 2 twos are 5, 5 twos are 8. 2 twos are 5, 5 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8, 16 twos are. This is nothing but. Again, 32 means I am going to multiply means this is 2 power 10 times.
Ma'am, I'm getting the answer as 11 to the power of 2 by 2 to the power of 12,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Nana,
ma'am,
it's 12, Nana.
I did,
It's 12, it's not 13, it's 12. Please check. I checked also.
ma'am, I did mistake in last step, ma'am.
Yeah, please don't do the mistake.
It's 12, ma'am.
Please don't do the mistake because you are doing a lot of work. At the end, you are doing wrong means obviously teacher will give 0 marks to you. Please be confident. You can do what you are doing. See and once again check and give. Yes, yes. Shall we go, children?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all for the day, children. I will post immediately in the group your homework. Please, so that you can complete the exercise sums. Exercise sum. Each and every part we discussed. 1 to 4 bits you're supposed to do, children. That's all for the day. If you have any doubts, please let me know so that I can help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, anyone have doubt means raise your hand.